what pattern 8, 19. Let me know, guys. What I'm saying here, what I'm saying now. First time same 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Next time 4 times also 5 coming. Next 3 times also 5 coming. 2 times also 5 coming. 1 time also 5 coming. For this one, all of you guys, let us try now. I think this one you can easily write the logic for this one, guys. For this one, you people can easily make the logic. For this one, you guys can easily make the logic. Think of it, guys, once. Just think of it, how to get every time 5 only. All of you, just think of it once. So I means what? Given number, right? Given number displaying, guys. Okay. The same all of you. Again, this is what I value 1. This is what I value 2. This is what I value 3. This is what I value 4. And this is what here I value 5. And about the J, all of you guys, about the J. So this is what J1, J2, okay, J2, J3, J4, J5. First time, right? First time. Second time again J1, J2, J3, J4. 4 times only. Next J1, J2, J3, J2, J3, right? Okay. And next one J1, J2, and this is what J only 1 means same previous one, guys, same previous one only, but just printing is different. Printing is different, all of you. Printing is different. It's also same. Iterations also all same, guys. Iterations also same like the previous pattern, guys. Same previous pattern. Okay. Tell me now. When I value 1, what about the J values? Tell me now. Same, when I value 1, J how many times coming now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. When I value 2, J how many times coming now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. Okay. When I value 3, then J 1, 2, 3 times. When I value 4, how many times? Just 1, 2 times only. Okay. When I value 5, how many times now? Only 1 time. Same like previous one. Okay. Previous one, guys. That's all. Let us try now. Let us try. All of you guys. Pattern 19, right? Okay. Same input of enter n number of rows, then we take eval here, then n equal to all of you for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1, then for j in range of tell me, guys, now what we do now. So tell me here, same starting with 1, and first I'll take same n plus 2, I think minus a, guys, right? All of yes or no? So when I value 1, then what is the number of iterations for j? All of you same, right? 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 1 6, n value 6 means that is before 1, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, same, guys. I don't need write all, right? I2, I3, I4, same above. Directly I'm going to the which one print. Tell me now, guys. Print. What to print here? Tell me now. What to print? Every time displaying what? I only. Sorry, this given, right? If I give the 5, then all 5 displaying, right? All 5 displaying 5 here. Then end equal to slash space, guys. Then print of what? Print of what? Empty. Okay. Print of empty. If I give the 5, same all of you, right? No change here. The print no logic, same as it is. Okay, same as it is, guys. All of, right? Very basic, this one, very basic program. All of you.